Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to create a sidebar in Spreadsheet, or it can also be executed on Google Docs. So what you have to do, just open your Spreadsheet, go to Tools, Script Editor. So in Script Editor, we are going to write the function to create a sidebar. So first, create a function. Let's say on open, or let me take a simple one. Create site. So here what we are going to do, we are going to create a HTML output. So we are going to create this sidebar using HTML. So we will take a variable and then we will use HTML service. So this service allows us to generate content from HTML. So as you can see, there is a function create HTML output. We are going to use that with the string, and here we are going to write our HTML, like what we want to show in that sidebar. So let's say we are going to create a button, and on this button, when we will click, this button will show a alert box. Just a moment. Okay, so this is our HTML. So what we have done, we have created a button. Let me close it. And this button text, what we will see will be click. And whenever we will click on this button, it will show a box which will be having a message hello, and we will set a title for it. Let's say first sidebar. So we have created the content for the sidebar. Now what we have to do, we have to attach this content to our spreadsheet, or in case of Google Docs, to our Google Doc. So in case of a spreadsheet, you have to write spreadsheet app show sidebar, and here you will write your variable name. And in case if you are trying this program in Google Docs, here you will write document app D capital. So we are done with the program. We will save it and we will execute it. So if you can see, the function is already selected is create site, and if we look at our spreadsheet, there is no sidebar right now, so we will execute it. Okay, so we are having one error. So actually I added one D, sorry for that. Execute it again. I forgot to fetch the UID. So this function actually get you the ID of the active spreadsheet, and then we want to add this sidebar to this active spreadsheet. So save it again. So now it is executed successfully. So when you will open your spreadsheet, you can see a sidebar. So let's click. So I have clicked and it says hello. So program is working perfectly. Thank you very much for watching.